Hey, what's up, Jabronie? It's your boy Jay. I'm back in the United States, and I am here at Micro Center. I wanted to build a PC for the longest time. I really got into it by watching a lot of Bitwit, Jay's 2 Cents, LTT, Linus Tech Tips, and I played over 300 hours of PC building simulator, so I'm kind of obsessed with it right now, and I've wanted to try building one on my own. We're gonna go buy parts right now, and I'm here with my friend Don, and he's gonna help me out if there's anything I need to know. Hello. I think I'm gonna get this. Oh, this one's not. You'd have to update the BIOS on this one. I don't know, but this is like the 134. Kind of nice from ASRock. I'll take this to your house. Can we build it?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at all the stuff we got. This is the biggest decision cam ever.
Look at all this
stuff. It's 22 items.
22 items?
Yeah, the thing is I still have to buy the graphics card because the one I wanted isn't available. I have to buy the Galahad, which is the AIO. Dude sold me on like upgrading to the, I guess this is the highest one, right?
Yeah.
This is the Ryzen 9 5950X. I was gonna get the one under it, which is like 300 something. This is 500. Spent $500 or something. But it would have been 800. So I got it for sale. This is my monitor. 27-inch.
Curved.
Oh, wait a minute. I shouldn't have got this.
Why? Oh.
Choose your character.
God damn it.
I hate you, Orion Odyssey. I'm not getting this for you, I'm getting this for me. So that was fun. Thank you, Don, for coming with me.
No problem.
We'll continue this build once I get the graphics card and the AIO kit.
Yeah.
All right. On our way home then. We're back from Micro Center. It's been a couple weeks later, and finally, the RTX 3080 Ventus 3X Plus finally came in. Also, the Galahad AIO finally came in as well. Not only that, I bought another 3-pack of uni fans, so there's gonna be 6 fans, and this AIO, there's gonna be a lot of lights in there. And also, I switched out the motherboard from the Gaming Plus to the X570S Edge Max Wi-Fi because I needed the Wi-Fi, and also I like the look of the motherboard better. Here are all of our parts for the PC, and let's get started with this build. So here's the Lian Li 011 Dynamic. It's one that everybody has, but I wanted it because it looks so cool. Here it is. This is the case we're going to be working with. Oh, it's beautiful. X570 Edge Max Wi-Fi. Now we got this beast of a processor, the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X. There it is. And here we got 2 M.2 drives, 1 terabyte and a 2 terabyte from Inland. And there's my M.2 right there. There's one of them. Okay, there's the second one. We got 2 sticks of 16 gigabyte, 3600 megahertz, 32 gigabyte kit. So there's that. Oh, look at that. Remember, the gold arrow, which is very tiny on the thing, goes to the arrow, so that's this way. Cool. Now I'm going to seat it. Let's see. Thank you. I watch a lot of those YouTube. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good. Cool. Woo! Got it in there. We got it in there. We have multiple computers being built here in the house right now. There we go. Nice and seated. Let's brush. Nice. They give you a lot of goodies. They gave me like a little brush. It also came with the USB thumb drive, flat head, and a Phillips head on a keychain. That's awesome. MSI, you're awesome. Yeah, that's good. Okay, cool. That's in there. Okay. Now we're gonna go with the AIO. Oh yeah, this is the Intel bracket. It just slides out, right?
Yeah, it's either a slide out or it twists and comes out.
Okay. I finally got the Intel bracket off of this thing. It took forever. There we go. See, that slides easy. So now I'm gonna seat the motherboard in the case. All right, here we go.
There you go, and then do it the opposite side. Yeah, and then go a little across. There you go, that's good.
There. That seat.
There you go.
Now we're gonna put this bad boy in. Wow. It's time to put this into its home. Go into your home, man. The momentous occasion over here. Oh no, my God. Oh, man, there it is. Holy shit. This is getting real. Been wanting a custom built PC. Okay, cool. It's in. Okay, so it's in.
I was thinking about it. It's like, what if I do 32 gigs or 36 right? Then I was reading about it. Like, it doesn't make sense.
Yep.
Cables.
Yeah. Fit. There we go. Okay, cable management is there. It's not great, but at least everything's together. Alright, I finally finished my build, and now let's see if this posts. Wow. That looks amazing. That's pretty cool.
The good news is it's a white light. That's what you want. There you go. That took a while.
So I gotta put the XMP? No, it's
it's
profile 1.
Yeah.
So we finally found the XMP profile, so the RAM is now using its rated speed at 3600 megahertz. And yeah, so it's posting, and looks like it's a success. I did it. I built my first PC. Gaming PC plus for editing as well. But yeah. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the movies.